Testing and replacing the fuel shutoff of a gas engine on a snowblower. This is the shutoff. Don't think it works anymore because I have to clean it all out, and whatever the seal was there is gone. So I'm going to take out the clamp, slide it back. This is empty now. Put some water or gas in here. This is in the closed position, and see if any gas or any liquid comes out of the fuel shutoff. I replaced the hoses. They're a little outside diameter is a little bigger than the originals, so the clamps are barely on, or on very tight. Seems like I have to take off this one because I can't get any room to push it out. I'm afraid of breaking off the nipple off the tank. This. Well, gas tank is empty. There we go. I'm going to blow into it and see if it's actually sealed. Actually, it does. Actually, it's plugged. I don't know how that could be. Now it's failed, so turn this trouble, might as well put the new one in. Here. Put some silicone on this so it slides in better, and if I have to take it out, it'll come out easier. It's got some silicone grease. some on the ends. And it slides in much easier with that on. There we go. I think that's closed, and that's the open. It's all done. I had to cut a longer tube for that one, since the nipple is hitting the nipple from the tank. And I've got to take off the paper there, but it works. And there's the new shutoff. And there's the new fuel shutoff installed. This is in the closed, and that's in the open.